Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm your phone supports eSIM and your carrier permits changing the number. Next, backup contacts and important messages so nothing is lost. Then sign into your carrier account or open the carrier app. Make sure you have ID and the existing eSIM activation info. Once done, locate the eSIM management screen in Settings. This gets you directly to the profile you will edit or remove, so you can proceed without delay. Now follow your carrier's specific flow. If required, remove or rename the current eSIM profile to free the slot. Next, choose Add Cellular Plan and scan the new QR code or manually enter the activation code. This links the new number to your device. During setup, label the plan so you can distinguish lines and set it as primary or secondary for calls and data. Make sure to allow the carrier profile to install. This can take a minute or two. Finish by selecting the default line for voice, SMS, and cellular data, then make a test call and send a text to verify the number is active. If service does not appear, restart the phone and revisit cellular settings. Sometimes toggling airplane mode resets provisioning. If issues persist, contact your carrier with your device IMEI and the activation code. They can re-provision the eSIM. One key tip: keep the old profile until the new number is fully tested. Then
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.